Hi, I'm Jared Peterson with JMT, and today we're going over our JMT WK 500 DSA bandsaw. The saw features hydraulic power feed, rigid cast iron base, a very strong frame. The cast iron base helps reduce vibration during sawing. Also, this frame up here is cast iron. It's a very versatile saw. It's a dual miter. We'll miter 60 degrees one way, 45 degrees the other way. My miter is done easily, releasing this lever, pivoting the saw whichever direction I need, locking it back in place, and it does have a scale on the side which shows you what degree you're cutting at. Adjustable vise for your different sides of miter, a release lever, slide it to the other side, lock it in place, also slides back. The saw has a cutting capacity of 13-inch square material, 14-inch round material, and 7-inch by 20-inch rectangular material. As you can see, looking at it from this front view, we have dual coolant lines, one in front of your cut, one behind. Adjustable blade guide for your width of your cut. Your blade guides are carbide guides inside of here with bearings in front. Also the same on the back, just the opposite. Manual chip brush. Manual material stop, adjustable for doing different sized work pieces. Has a coolant pump mounted on the side of the machine and coolant tank with a screen to keep the chips out. Your blade tensioning is a manual tensioning with a gauge to show you your pressure is correct. Your vise is hydraulic, easily adjustable, and has minute adjustment here, but once you set the saw up, it opens and closes hydraulically. Your control panel, very simple. We have hydraulic down feed and raise, adjustable here for the speed. Your saw blade is adjusted. The motor is directly mounted through a gearbox which turns the blade wheel. Your speed is controlled through an inverter here. I believe it goes from 0 to 250 inches per minute. Your control panel is very simple. Your saw raise and lower, vise open and close, manual mode, automatic mode, and your coolant. When you're in automatic mode, once you have your material set, you hit the auto button, your saw will feed down, cut the material, stop, and raise back up just above the material. Safety on the machine, obviously it has an emergency stop. It also has your blade covers, all have limit switches on them to where the covers have to be on the machine for the saw to operate. Again, this is Jared with JMT, and thank you for watching our video on this saw. And please visit our website, jmtusa.com, to see more about this saw and our other products.